Hello everyone, welcome in today's video on how to buy Algorand on Coinbase. So for the first step we will log into our account on coinbase.com and after that you will arrive at this home page. So you got three options right on top, a deposit button, a buy and sell button and a send and receive button. For now we will click on buy and sell. The purchasing overview will be opened and you can select right on top here the one-time purchase. Click on it to select the purchase frequency. You've got different options to choose. A daily option, a weekly, a twice a month or a monthly option. As you can see, I will leave it on a one-time purchase for now and we will fill in the amount of fiat we would like to use for our purchase. I'm using €2 and we can select the asset we would like to buy. We would like to buy the Algorand token and it will appear if you tick it in the search bar. Select it. Now it's selected and we can select the payment method. I'm paying with my Euro wallet as you can see, but if you live in another country or region, just select your option you would like to use. And after that, you can head out back to that overview. If you don't see any options over here, first add a payment method by clicking on this button below. And after that, it will be added to our list and you can select it. For now, I will leave it on this and I click on review order to view some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying 7 Algorand tokens and I'm using my Euro wallet. The total amount I'm spending is €2 and the Coinbase fee is 99 cents and the amount of crypto we are buying is €1.01. If you decided to buy now, click on buy now. If you would like to invest on a weekly base, you can also select this option and the same amount will be bought every week at the same moment. You can cancel it at any time. For now, we will click on buy now to purchase it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys. Bye bye.